Let's test this. Let's buy this from my group, which is Razer. It costs about 5 Robux, but let's test it. If not now. And let's check the sales. Oh, as you can see, it keeps giving me 1 Robux. I don't know what's happening to my group page, and who's stealing my Robux, and where does it go after someone buy a shirt to my group. Keeps on happening, and now it keeps on having 1 Robux, 1 Robux. But these shirts cost around 30 to 40, especially this shirt. This shirt is around 75, but it only gives me 1 Robux. I don't know why is that happening. And especially this shirt, which is a donation shirt, and I don't know where this where will be my Robux going after someone buy this. My cousin just bought this shirt because he wanted to donate something to me, and but it turns out that I will only get 1 Robux after he buy this shirt. It should be 450, but I don't know what's happening to my group page. And yeah, that's pretty much it.